guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So sorry I have been a little absent the last week. Apparently you guys really like paint. So I got a little overwhelmed with orders and haven't had as much time to video. But anyways, I am going to handle a request that I got. So I just released this set with, I know this isn't as obvious, this is navy blue. White, navy blue, lime green, and then a custom rose gold that I made, which I think is so beautiful. It's got some secret ingredients in there. Now, I didn't necessarily intend for these to all be used together specifically, but two color combinations that I love are the navy blue with lime green and white, and then the navy blue with rose gold and white. Look beautiful together. However, I also think that all four of these will look great together. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a go. And I'm just going to do a regular flip cup. So I'm also curious how this, I think this rose gold is going to cause some crazy cell action. Could be wrong, but I think it will. And this navy blue is a great substitute for black because it's a nice dark color while having that hint of the blue and gray. And then we've got the lime green, which of course just pops. So I'm going to actually layer the navy blue with those colors. And then top it off with some white. Not too much of that lime green. And a little bit more of the rose gold. Okay. A little bit more. That should be good. This is a lowly Veffe bowl here, 10 by 10 canvas, flip cup. Boom. Yeah, so I got a specific request to do a video with that set of colors. So felt I should oblige. Plus I actually haven't even, I realized I haven't actually tried out my new rose gold, and I wanted to see if it had that cell action. I'm gonna let this sit here for about a minute, and then I'll be back to pull it off and see what we have. Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm pretty excited. Okay, well already I can tell that minimally I'm gonna love this color combination. Let's go ahead and just for funsies, torch. Because I think with that rose gold, we'll get some fun cells. Alright, stretch. I do have this big blue section over here. That doesn't necessarily mean that there's nothing under there. But I definitely have some parts on the sides over here that I would like to keep as much as possible. Herein lies the difficulty. So I'm going to tilt pretty slow here. Ooh. Some beautiful cells over here. And look at this, even this beautiful pops of lime green. All right, I'm gonna help these edges out with a little more paint. All right, good news, folks. Just as I predicted, that rose gold is causing some beautiful reactions in there. Let's let this sit here for a little bit. I'm going to touch up my edges a bit, and then we'll come in for a close-up, and I'm curious to see what else might develop in this navy blue over here. We're back. I went ahead and raised it up. Definitely a lot more cell production throughout here. I think this is totally awesome. And honestly, it's funny because when I put this set together, I didn't really intend for those four colors to specifically be used together. I thought, you know, the white navy blue plus the rose gold, or the white navy blue plus the lime green, and then maybe, you know, adding another color to those. But these, I think, actually look fantastic as a set all together. And this is just those 4 colors. Well, 3 colors in white, nothing else in here. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. Lower right-hand corner down here. I love the kind of teal that got in there. I guess mixing the navy plus lime plus white. And even over here, there's some fun reactions. It's a little hard to see through the camera. Some gorgeous lacing over here. Look at this part. So pretty. I think we have a little fish over here. Lots of really fun reactions. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I think this is just awesome. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any specific color requests, like for sets of paint that you would like to see, or you know, any other colors you would kind of like me to test. I definitely have some other new colors that I'm working on, like a really pretty magenta and some others. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I sell these in my Etsy store. If you haven't seen them, link will be in the description. Thank you so much to everyone who has already bought them, and I hope that you love them as much as I do, and I appreciate your support. I'll see y'all next time.